Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.88 and $7.33 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $3.02 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.689710. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing because of the rise of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked vigorously to foster a unique cryptographic money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into an exhaustive value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their financial balances. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The value-based scale. 2. Making it more straightforward for applications to consistently coordinate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a beneficial venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction money trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The primary benefit purchasers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Regardless of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very defenseless and, as other digital currencies, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from $0.558 to $0.987 during April and May 2018, a critical increment that proposed a huge degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. The cost of Nexo has a splendid standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many undertakings will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost forecast. Making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly for a really long time, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo is as of now worth $0.86238 United States dollars. Nexo has moved 3.88% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $4,787,282. Nexo is as of now positioned 1003 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $485,318,325 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Nexo value expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.29. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.21 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $1.03. Nexo value expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $2.16. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Nexo's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.72 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.90. Nexo, value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.02 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.76 and a low of $2.59 in 2025. Nexo, value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Nexo effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.88, with a base cost of $3.45 and a typical cost of $3.62. Nexo, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.48 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.31 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $4.74. Nexo, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.35. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.60. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.17. Nexo, value expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.04 and a yearly cost close above $6.47 in 2029. Nexo, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $6.90 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.33, averaging out at $7.07. Nexo, value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable